Good morning, good afternoon, happy Friday. This is going to be a pretty quick video. I only have 3 trades today to break down for y'all. It was kind of a slower day because Monday is a holiday. The market's closed on Monday. Today is Friday before the long weekend, and I've got to run away to the new house after this to get stuff over there all situated. So let's run through this real quick. Again, 3 trades this morning. CRSR, Corsair, kind of weird for me to trade that because it's a larger float name, 46 million share float. But hey, played it really well. And so going at the market open today, I was watching a handful of setups. I was watching MLEC, IVDA, and CRSR. Now, MLEC I didn't really like because of share price, and it also just traded kind of funky. And so I was really watching IVDA and CRSR. Now, CRSR was the one at market open that really got going, and so I got my eyes, of course, shifted there. Of course, at the bell, I was watching the 3, and I was seeing which one is going to find that momentum, and it, of course, was that CRSR. So I come out of the open, and of course, we know we've got this high sitting back here at 656. And then we also had the next high thereafter. I'll show you back here from, I believe it was after hours, chilling way up here around the 670s. Take a look at this up here. And so it's going to be way back here from yesterday afternoon, where we had this big initial move. You can see right here to $6.75. So we want to mark that level up here too. So if I wanted to play this today, I had to get over the highs from after hours, right? We had, of course, earnings here yesterday, and we had this big surge back up towards those highs this morning in pre-market. I wanted to watch it above. And so we got this big move out of market open. We got this, you can see here, this 1-2 candle move. Pretty strong close on the second candle too. Of course, I wanted to play it here on candle number 1, but I never chased the first breakout. So I sat back and waited for it to actually set up. And so it did. It pulls back on candle number 2 and it gets bought up here off the 9 EMA. Because I didn't take it here because we had this big wick off the high that I wanted to clear out first. So we had this nice full body candle here, take this wick back out from that first candle, and then I'm looking for the next pullback. And so the next candle pulls back. Again, I'm looking to risk off of the 9 EMA for the curl back up higher, and I got just that. And so I actually got a pretty nice win here. Played it from 678, risking off of 665, so about 10 cents of risk. And I got to move here. Look at this, all the way up into the highs here, which was sitting right about $7.20. So again, I was super happy with that. A pretty big win there to start. Now, with that, I played it again for a little base hit too. We saw it again get bought up here off of VWAP, and so I hopped back in on the re-entry for the, again, continuation higher. And I was looking for this move to happen, but ended up having a smaller win here. I played it here from 705 back to about 720. So this was the big win of the morning here, this first play, simple little micro pullback off the highs from after hours. And then I've also got a trade here this morning on NCI, which was my top watch from last night's watch list. I also played this fairly well. I wish I could have had more opportunities on this, but I'm just small green on this today. The reason being is I missed this move here because I was playing Corsair. You can't catch 2 things at once, so I was focused on Corsair and missed the move here in NCI. Of course, I can't physically play both. So I missed the first move on NCI, but both were significant moves, so I'm not really mad about that. Corsair was awesome. In terms of risk to reward, Corsair was definitely better. And then, of course, I played the break of the high here. We were, of course, watching. Look at this. We have this high here followed by a lower high. I was watching for the break of this lower high to then confirm off pullbacks for an entry right around here. I had to take it a little bit higher for the break of the high of day, and it worked out in my favor. I got a move here from 328 all the way to 368, so about a 40-cent move. After my trims, though, really I was looking at about 328 to about 340s. So I'm happy with it. It was a small win. Play the simple break of this tightening wedge for the squeeze up higher through the, what I was looking for was 4. But hey, we got the move I was looking for and at least was able to, again, get some more profits on the day. But today was very slow. Of course, this week has been a real penny stock oriented week. Even today, a lot of penny stocks moving like IVDA, which never set up for us, and a few others as well that I just didn't mess with. There wasn't a whole lot of awesome opportunities today. The slower, well, one of the slowest days of the week this week, really. Tuesday was huge. We had QNCX for a 100% win rate day back on Tuesday. Monday, we had CCHH. Then yesterday, we had CHOW. Today, we had Corsair. And so, hey, I'm happy with the week, an all green week this week. That's how I did it again today. Had to stay picky and really sit back and understand, look, it's Friday. I just want a nice stress-free day. But anyways, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging because I've got to run away from the desk for the afternoon. 3-day weekend. Get some fresh air. Be smart, be safe, be responsible. Let me know in the comments below how your week went. Hopefully your Friday ended off well. As always, make sure to subscribe if you did learn a thing or two. And make sure to grab your 7-day free trial to trade alongside me in real time every single day and get alerts, watch lists, chat room access, education, scanners, Momentum AI, Momentum Journal, and so much more. And that being said, I'll catch you back there Tuesday because, again, market is closed Monday. But I'll catch you there. Be smart, be responsible, and I'll see you back next time. Peace, guys.